Okay, men, you need to listen up. This whole thing of belching to let the people who slaved over your food know how much you enjoyed it and giving your quote-unquote compliments to the chef needs to stop. I mean, if you were an early caveman before language was developed, I could understand grunting and burping. But we have words that can be used to express gratitude. Words like thank you, gracias, grazie. I mean, anything. Ain't they ooh-yay? But don't think for 2 seconds that when you burp, that it makes anybody who had part in cooking that food that added to the bodily gases that you just expelled through your mouth feel appreciated.